Yes, now students, today our topic is the large numbers up to 9 digits. 9 digits. In previous class, we discussed about the digits up to 6 digits we learn. So, units means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Till lakh we learn in our previous class. Now we are going to discuss the large numbers up to 9 digits. Up to 9 digits, step by step we are going to discuss. So in the previous class also we discussed how to write in expanded form, how to write in standard form. If numerals are given, then how to write in words. If in word form it is given, then how to convert into numerals. So then greater than, how to compare the numbers, and ascending order, descending order, and international system, Indian system. All this we'll learn in our previous class in 4th standard. Now here again the same thing here, but here the number of digits increases. Here there we learn till 6 digits, but here we are going to learn till 9 digits. Till 9 digits. If 9 digits are there, then 8 digits are there, then 7 digits are there, then what about the place values and all the things we are going to discuss about the place values and all. First, recapitulate our previous chapter, so that till 6 digits. So what we learned in our previous class. First, single digit, 1 digit numbers. 1 digit, that is single digit, also called single digit. Single digit smaller number is 0 and the larger number is 9. Single digit smaller number, this is small, this is big, largest single digit number. Then 2 digit small number is 10 and large number is 99. 3 digit small number is 100 and large number is 999. And 4 digit smaller number is 1000 and larger number is 9999. 5 digit small number is 10,000, large number is 99,999. Then 6 digit large number, 1 lakh. In this largest number is 9,99,999. 7 digit largest number, smallest number first, 10 lakhs. Largest number 99 lakhs, 99,999. In the same way. So here, one thing is common here in all this. Largest number is in single digit, only 1 9 will come. Say in double digit means 2 digits, 2 nines will come. In 3 digits, 3 nines will come. In 4 digit, 4 nines will come. In 5 digits, 5 nines will come. In 6 digits, 6 nines will come. In 7 digits, 7 nines will come. If 7 nines, 8 nines will come, then how many number of nines were there? So we count and say, so that is the largest number in that digit. Here, this is the largest number. If we add 1 to the largest single digit number, I just want to add 1 to this largest single digit number, we will get smallest double digit number. In the same way, if 1 is added to largest double digit number, then we get single digit number, smallest 3 digit number. In the same way, if we are going to add +1 to largest 3 digit number, we will get smallest 4 digit number. The similar, so if we add +1 to 4 digit, greater number, largest number, then we get smallest 5-digit number. So again plus 1 to largest 5-digit number, we get smallest 6-digit number. If 1 is added to largest 6-digit number, then we get smallest 6-digit one. So in this way we will get, so this you have to remember. So then largest numbers are, these are the largest number, these are the smallest number. Single digit smallest number is 0, and in 2 digit 10, 3 digit 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. These are the largest and smallest number according to the digits. Yes. As next question, write the following in expanded form. So already this we completed. So this is the recapitulation. Then how to write in expanded form. See here, first number of digits. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place. Then 7 is in 10,000s place. Then 7 into 10,000. 7 into 10,000. 7 into 10,000, and after that plus. 9 is in thousands place. It means 9 into 1000. 9 into 1000, and after that plus. 3 in hundreds place. 3 into 100. 3 into 100 plus. 5 is in tens place. It means 5 into 10 plus. 9 is in ones place. 9 into 1. 9 into 1. Here, first you check, so the numeral is in which place. If it is in 10,000s place, multiply with 10,000. If it is in thousands place, multiply with 1000. If it is in hundreds place, multiply with 100. If in tens place, multiply with 10. If in ones place, multiply with 1. So this is the procedure. So here also, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place, this is lakhs place, this is lakhs place. 6 is in lakhs place, we have to multiply this 6 with lakh. 6 into 1 lakh, this is 1 lakh. Then after that 5 is in thousands place, 10,000s place, then 5 into 10,000. Then after that 4 is in thousands place, 4 with 1000. 4 with 1000 plus. Then 1 is hundreds place, 1 into 100. Then after that 7 is in tens place, 7 into 10. 7 into 10 plus. Then 3 is in ones place, 3 into 1. 3 into 1. This is the way to write in expanded form. If the numeral is in thousands place, multiply with 1000. It is in 10,000s place, multiply with 10,000. In lakhs place, multiply with lakh, and write in expanded form. Numeral into that place value. Next, here write the following in standard form. Write the following in standard form. Our solution. Here lakhs place is given. First one is in lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Here ones place, here tens place, here hundreds place, here thousands place, here 10,000s place, here lakh place. Here lakh place. From here to here, 4 is multiplied with lakh, means 4 is in lakhs place. Then after that 5 is multiplied with 1000, then thousands place, 5 in thousands place. Then 6 is multiplied with 10, then 6 is in tens place. 7, nothing is there, means ones place, 7 is in ones place. The remaining place values are not given, so it means we keep zeros there. This is our answer. This is our answer. This is standard form. This is standard form. First we have to check the first one. So either it is multiplied by 10,000, lakh, whatever it is. So we have to check. Here lakh is given. It means maximum we have to take till lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Till lakhs we have to take. Then after considering lakhs, then check first. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. First one is multiplied with lakh, means 4 is in lakhs place. After that, second one is multiplied with 1000, then 5 is in thousands place. Then here 6 is multiplied with 10, then 6 is in tens place. 7, nothing is there, this is in ones place. Here it is one place. Then whatever place value is here left, in that place we keep zeros. So this is your solution. Next, the next one. Here lakhs, thousand, tens, ones it is given. So it is in numeral form it is given, but here it is given in words. Lakhs, 10,000, thousand, 100, tens, ones, whatever it is. First we have to check the first number. First number is lakhs, whatever. Here lakhs is given. We have to take the digits till lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is ones place value. This is tens. This is hundreds. This is thousand. This is 10,000. This is lakhs. 7 lakhs means in the place of lakhs 7. 4 10,000. In 10,000 place 4, and 5,000 in the place of 1,000 5. Then 300 in the place of 100 3, and 9 tens in the place of 10 9, and 2 ones in the place of 1 2. So here in all places so and so values we will get. So nothing will left, so no need to keep zeros, so all place values there. So this is the procedure, this is the solution for this question. First we have to check what is the first number. First number is lakhs. First we take till lakhs, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Then after that check one by one, one by one, one by one. This number 4 is in 10,000 place, it means 4 is in there in 10,000s. 5 is in thousands place, then keep 5 is in thousands place. Then 3 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, and 2 is in ones place. This is the standard form, and this is the standard form into expanded form, and expanded form into standard form. Yes, now students, write the number names of the following numerals. Here are two numerals are given. This is first numeral, this is second numeral. These two numerals we have to write the names of these two numerals. First we have to write the place values. So this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. This is lakhs place. Then how to write 5 lakh, 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs, 74. This is the 70,000 period. 74,000. $74,209. 209. This is in hundreds place. This is in ones place. There is no tens. 209. This is the number. This is the whatever the numeral is given, number name. This is the method to write number name. In this, the second question. First we have to write the place values first. Place values. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands place. This is 10,000 place. This is the thousands period. This is ones period. 35,000. 35,000 first. 35,497. 497. 497. 497. So these are the numerals, number names. So this is the method to write. First we have to write the place values, then after that what is there in the place value, that we have to write in words. The next, write the numerals for the following numbers. Here we have to write the numerals we have to write. Here number names are given, we have to write numerals. Then 5 lakhs, the first one is lakhs. Till lakhs we make place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh place. 5 is in lakhs place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 5 is in lakhs place. 70,000. 70 means 70,000. There is no 100. Thousands place 70. In thousands periods 70 will come. Then there is no 100. So in the place of 100, 0 will come. Then 40 means 40 here. So this is 5,70,040. First what is there? Lakh is there. First we prepare till lakhs place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Then what is there in lakhs place? 5. In thousand period what is there? 70,000. There is no 100, so 100's place is 0, and at last 40 is there, then 40. 40 means 40. And here 7 lakhs again. Till lakhs we prepare our place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. First 7 lakhs. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakhs place. 7 lakhs. 40,000. 40 means 40. 40,000. 563. 563. In hundreds place 5 and 63. So this is in numerals given in words, so that we convert into numerals. This is the way to write the numerals into names, names into numerals.